Peace, everybody. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I am Keisha. I am the artist, crocheter, promoter, manager, owner of Illis Crochet. You guys can find my shop on Etsy at Illis Crochet, and you guys can find me on Instagram at Illis_crochet, where you can see all the things that I make and sell. And today I am doing a review. I got a new hook. I went to the store and I decided to treat myself to a new hook. Okay. So, you guys know in the previous videos, I talked to you about the fact that I have carpal tunnel, I have tendonitis. So, I get pain and numbness in my hands and my wrists from years of being an artist, being a painter, being an art teacher, braiding hair, crocheting. Uh, Crocheting is what I do full time now from the Etsy shop. So I'm always on the lookout for comfortable hooks. And so I look for things that say ergonomic. I do have some of those compression stress relief gloves. They do work, but when the numbness gets really bad, um, I have a brace and everything. But anyway, so and I don't have my gloves. I could show them to you. I just picked them up at the craft store. It is that time of day, as you can hear, the children in the neighborhood are out screaming. That's what they do. Anyway, so now I'm going to show you the hook. This is the Yarnology hook here. Isn't it pretty? I thought it said ergonomic on the packaging, but it doesn't. But what attracted me to this was the handle. It's a very thick, rubbery plastic handle, right? And it says luxury hook. This is a size 5, size H, and this was $3.99. Good price, right? So this is a plastic throat here. Now, you guys, if you saw me review the Prem, I wanted to like the Prem, but it was so long. It's a long hook, and I have little hands, so it wasn't what I expected it to be. So let's take this out and take a look at it. So I can already see. Well, which way do we go here? Okay. Nope. There we go. Okay. I can already see that the throat on this one is a lot shorter, you know. Um, oh, I like that it's bendy. But I was really attracted to it because this part was so wide, the handle was so wide, and I don't crochet like this. Some people do, but I crochet like this. So I really need to be able to put my thumb here, to have something to handle, to hold it. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna grab some yarn here. Should I put the camera down a little bit? Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see what it does. I really wanted a size 4 because I've been doing amigurumi pieces, but this is the 5. Okay. Let's see. Let's do some single crochets. I like it. I like it. Now, I usually get the Clover Armor or Clover Soft Touch. That's my preferred brand. But this is the Yarnology hook. And I like it. I like it. Okay, let's do some doubles. Do a double crochet. I like this. This is comfortable. I like that it's soft and smushy. It's not hard plastic, but I like that. Let's see. Oops. It wants to keep slipping out. And this is acrylic yarn. So I'm learning that sometimes the plastic hooks, I tend to drop the stitches more with the acrylic yarn. I like a good metal hook, but this is good. This is good. Okay. So this is the Yarnology. It doesn't say ergonomic, but I'm going to say that it is because this feels really good in my hand. Okay. So that's my review. Really quick. Just wanted to show you guys what I bought today, and we'll do some more reviews if I find some good hooks. Okay. You guys leave me a comment if you have this hook. Let me know what you think and what you're making, and I'll be back again. We'll do another tutorial soon as well. All right. Peace.